Misa, your robotic helper. In any family, big or small, every day is filled with numerous activities and chores. Misa is a robotic companion designed to make your life easier and help you manage your tasks. Not only is Misa a toy that entertains your child for hours with chatting, dancing, and games, but it also serves as a smart speaker. It can set alarms, timers, find information on the internet, and even book a hotel or suggest recipes. Misa also functions as a security tool, patrolling the house with its built-in camera and sound recorder. With a starting price of at least $400, Misa is a versatile addition to your household. Hiwonder SpiderPi, the smart toy for learning programming. Hiwonder SpiderPi, a product from a Chinese company, is a smart toy that not only entertains but also helps in learning programming basics. Equipped with a high-resolution camera, it supports color recognition and obstacle avoidance using ultrasound. SpiderPi can be programmed to perform various tricks, making it an endless source of fun and education. The price for this smart and educational toy is $580. Terra-Sect Rolling Lizard. Endless fun for restless kids. Terra-Sect Rolling Lizard is an RC toy that provides endless entertainment for energetic kids. This unique lizard can ride like a normal car in an upright position and roll like a wheel when bent, effortlessly overcoming obstacles and stairs. With a starting price of $18, it's a great option for keeping kids engaged. HHD-A6, the Transforming Motorcycle Drone. HHD-A6 is a 2-in-1 toy that transforms from a motorcycle to a drone in seconds. With a high-quality camera for photos and videos, it offers real-time transmission to your smartphone. This versatile toy can fly for 8 minutes or ride on the ground for 15 minutes, with a control range of 40 to 50 meters. Priced at around $57, it provides a unique and exciting play experience. SilverLit Robo Chameleon, a robotic pet for kids. SilverLit Robo Chameleon is a cute robotic pet that changes color, sticks out its tongue, and picks up tokens as food. Priced at around $40, it's a perfect option for children who dream of having a pet but aren't quite ready for the responsibility. Bohm Stirling Puget AP172, a collectible toy for adults. Bohm Stirling Puget AP172 is a collectible toy model of the Puget Quadrillette from the 1920s. This intricately designed car, equipped with a tiny 4-cylinder engine, moves for 10 minutes and serves as a construction set. Priced at approximately $480, it's a sophisticated and detailed toy for adults to appreciate. Power Treads, RC car with exceptional mobility. Power Treads stand out among RC cars with their exceptional mobility. Unlike traditional RC cars, they can navigate various surfaces and overcome obstacles playfully. Priced at $30, Power Treads provide a dynamic and versatile remote-controlled car experience. Hogs Stunt Shot. Radio-controlled fun with soft wheels. Hogs Stunt Shot is a radio-controlled car with unique soft wheels, allowing it to overcome obstacles without causing damage. Priced at $25, it's a fantastic option for indoor play, ensuring a scratch-free experience on delicate surfaces.